Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python for Beginner series. In this video, we're going to learn something really fun and super useful: how to take input from the user using Python. This is the input function. When we run this, Python will pause and wait for the user to type something in the console. But right now, we don't see any message or instruction, just a blinking cursor. So the user might get confused about what to do. Let's make this more user-friendly by adding a prompt message inside the input function. Now, when this runs, Python will show the text, "Enter your name," which tells the user what to type. Much better, great. Now, instead of just calling input, we're going to save the user's name into a variable. Let's call it user_name. This way, we can use that value later in our program. Finally, let's use the print function to greet the user with the name the user typed. We're combining a message, hello, with the actual input they gave us. Let's run the full code now. I'll type something like Alice when prompted. And there we go. The program greets the user. And that's how simple it is to take input from a user in Python. Just remember, input always returns a string, and you can store it in a variable and use it however you like. Try changing the prompt, or print a custom message using the input.